Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add friends in Character AI. So first thing you need to know that you cannot be a friend here. You can follow people and people can follow you. So you can get followers. Okay, let's start. First thing you need to log in, go to your home page and press the community button right here. Choose a community where you want to have friends or followers. Choose a post, and I will choose this sweet pan and push on sweet pan. Here, push the follow button, and now you follow him. So you can do this on anyone you want. You can follow anyone you want, and it's quite easy. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I can see you on the next video.